Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to record your screen on your Meta Quest 3. So at first, just take out the navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as you take out the navigation bar, you can see the camera option right here. But if you don't see it, just open your library and open your camera from here. And as you open your camera, you can see at the top option the start recording. But as you guys can see, I'm already recording. I can't record it again. And as you start it and stop the recording, your recordings will be right here on this page. But as you can see guys, my recordings are right here. And from there, you can just start your screen record. So guys, that's how you record your screen on your Meta Quest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.